Right.
Let me think. I'm Sophie.
Sophie.
Sophie. Yeah, like toffee. Confusing.
Good.
Barney. Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, likewise. Good to see you too.
Hi,
Ollie. Fantastic.
Hi, Tommy.
Tommy. Good to see you. Welcome. And you're creme de la creme out of Oxford, is that right?
Obviously.
The bee's knees.
Well, the best cooks they've got to offer.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Now, none of you have been anywhere near a professional kitchen before. This is nothing to do with a flash fucking dinner party. I don't give a fuck how many thousands of acres of land you own. Yes. Tonight, my standards, my organisation. Quite frankly, I don't care whether you hate my guts between 7 o'clock and 11. I just want it right. Now, you've all been shown how to do the starter. Yeah. Yes. And it's pretty straightforward. There's only two things on the plate. It's a prawn toast with a cucumber salad. OK, I'm going to show you once more together. That way, there's no excuse for fuck-ups. OK, Tommy?
Absolutely.
Good man.
Yes, chef.
OK. Dublin Bay prawns. OK. First thing we're going to do is break down the prawns, OK? So we just pulsate the machine. Half the egg whites in. OK? Yeah? So we're making basically a really nice prawn mousse. Yeah? Corn flour in.
Is that thickening it up?
That just gives it a little bit of body, OK? Which, in a way, that it stops it from sort of disintegrating when it hits the heat.
Yeah.
We're just spreading the puree of prawns onto the toast, yeah? From there, here we go. Sesame seed sides as well, OK? And then, here we go. The most important thing about cooking these sesame seed toast is making sure the pan's nice and hot.
Yeah.
OK? Right. 4 covers table 3, yes? 4 prawn toast, 4 lemon sole on papillote, 4 plum tart.
Yes, chef.
I'd order 4 covers table 6, 4 prawn toast, 4 lemon sole on papillote, 4 plum tart.
Yes, chef.
Oh dear. Hey guys, Barney,
Yep.
What did I just say there?
Sorry, chef, didn't hear.
Yeah, exactly, you didn't hear. So work with your ears open, OK? Soppy.
Sophie.
I may not have any fucking A-levels, but I'm not going to argue right now.
Okay.
What are you doing?
OK, I'm doing one set. I don't know why I'm doing one set by itself.
OK, one portion's going to get us nowhere.
Yeah, so I need to do 3.
Start again and do 4 portions together. 4 threes are what?
12.
There we go. Right, Barney, you have the first ticket, big boy. How long?
5 minutes, chef.
Barney.
Yep.
The oil's stone cold. Bring the pan here. Oh, it's stone cold. So it's like an oil slick. It's like Exxon Valdez on there. Come on, get the pan hot. Huh? What happens if it's cold, Barney?
They'll send it back, chef.
That's right.
Yeah, just you can use one of my pans. We'll just do one of mine for yours, honey, OK?
Come on.
Yeah.
Fine.
Cheers.
Fucking hell. Don't start giving me that shit, yeah? Ollie, Ollie, it's not a race. Slow down and stay in control of what you're doing.
Chef.
Don't start giving me that shit, yeah? Ollie, OK, top of the plate, 12 o'clock. The cucumber has been cut into ribbons and then marinated in rice vinegar, sugar, sake and sesame seed oil. Simple. And then the toast.
Chef,
right, 4 plates. Come on, I can't just serve yours and his at the same time. 4 plates. Serve this table. Clean your plate. This is your food. Yeah? Chef. Yeah? Leave him, he's fine. Right, you happy with that? Would you pay for that?
Yes, chef.
That's very nice. Come on, let's go. Up we go. Gently, 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 gently. Service.
I thought the texture of the cucumber against the texture of the prawn toast, it worked really well.
It wasn't dry, it was succulent, moist, the prawns were really, really nice. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
Jean-Baptiste, guys, come over please. Results, yes, for the starters. Let's go, Ollie. Right. How many customers are paying?
27.
27 are paying?
Yeah.
What, there's 23 that are not paying?
23 are not paying, yeah.
Why so many?
The main problem is a bit greasy.
A bit greasy. Barney, what do we talk about?
No grease, chef.
No grease. And why were they greasy?
There's too much oil in the pan.
No, going into a cold pan. I saw you umpteen times put them into a cold pan. So we're going from one extreme to the other. This is just a fucking prawn on toast, that's all. Yeah. You know, I'm really sorry, but 23 customers not paying is a fucking embarrassment. Clear down, start thinking about the main course, and we're not going to keep customers waiting that long for the main course. I don't care how many fucking degrees we've got. We're not going to let them wait that length of time.